This video will cover Stoichiometry 9B worksheet, question number 6. The second part, we're going to call that 6B. So we are starting with this balanced equation right here. And it says we start with 2 moles of sodium chlorate and decompose that to produce 2 moles of sodium chloride and 3 moles of oxygen. So the question that we are going to find the answer for is how many grams of NaCl are produced when 80 grams of O2 are also produced. So notice they are both products. And what that means is we've got excess, even though it doesn't say it, we have excess NaClO3, which is sodium chlorate. To make this a little different, we are going to change how many grams here to how many moles of NaCl are produced if we have 80 grams of oxygen produced. All right, so let's start with what we are given. Remember, this is what we are given. We'll start with, and then this is what we're trying to find. So how much NaCl and how many moles. So we start 80.0 grams of O2. So if grams of O2 is on the top, grams of O2 is also on the bottom, and we're going to convert that to moles of O2. So that is substance A. Now we want to go from substance A to substance B. So substance A is O2 and substance B is NaCl. So we have to convert moles of O2 to moles of NaCl, and that is where we're going to stop for this problem since we changed it and we're only going to find the number of moles of NaCl. So in order to determine how many moles per grams, we need the molar mass for oxygen. So we're going to put the 1 in for moles, and the molar mass of oxygen when it's diatomic is 32.00. The only thing else we need for this problem is the moles of NaCl and the moles of O2. So here's our moles of O2, and here's our moles of NaCl. So we have to make sure that we put the 2 and the 3 in the proper places. By writing moles of O2 on the top and moles of O2 on the bottom and moles of NaCl on the top there, it determines that for us so you don't have to think. So we put a 3 down here because that's what's in front of O2 and a 2 in front of the NaCl, so we put it in 2 in front of the moles there. So at this point, all we have to do is put the information in the calculator, and it comes out to 1.666, repeating 6 moles of NaCl. Because everything else is canceled out. All the grams, all the moles are all canceled out. But since we have 3 sig figs to start, our final answer is 1.67 moles NaCl. If you have any questions, you may go back and review this at any time.